Hello friends, here is the interureteric ridge, that is very important landmark if you want to do catheterization. It is in between the two ureteric orifice, and as soon as you enter in the ureter, this horizontal line is must to see. After that you will tilt your telescope towards the right and left to check both the ureteric orifice. You should always follow the interureteric ridge if you want to see the ureteric orifice. Now, this is the right ureteric orifice, and here we are using the simple ureteric catheter to introduce it inside the right ureter. And once you introduce it, approximately 10 centimeter you have to introduce inside, and then you need to inject 5 ml of ICG. ICG is available in 10 ml vial. Actually, it is 25 milligram Ureter green, and it is a lyophilized powder. So, you should put a 10 ml distilled water or normal saline, and you should shake it very nicely to mix this lyophilized powder. After that 5 ml you have to put in the each ureter, and once you inject it, then keep it, the needle should be attached with the ureteric catheters, and do not pull the ureteric catheter immediately, because it takes little time to bind with the mucosa of the ureteric mucosa plasma protein, and then it will give you near infrared light, so that you can see the ureter. Now, this is going to the left ureteric orifice, and the same ureteric catheter again you will pass through the left ureteric orifice, and again you will wait, you will inject the another 5 ml which is left behind in the vial, you will load in, and with the needle you have to attach with the other end of the ureteric catheter, and then keep on injecting slowly, and inject entire 5 ml and keep it there for 5 minutes. You should take care that this ICG should not come out with the ureter, and you should keep it so that it should take some time to bind with the plasma protein of the ureteric mucosa, and then only it will work. Immediately if you will pull it, all the dye will come in the bladder, and then it will not show you the ureter so nicely. So, now we have done in both the ureter, and after that I will show you how it looks like. See here, this is the right ureter which is completely illuminating, and you have a different mode. You have the SPI mode, ENV mode, CSF mode, overlay mode, and these all modes you can use, but right now it is in the ENV mode, and we can see it is nicely visible throughout the ureter. It will be visualized only at the place where it is crossed by the uterine artery and sandwiched by the artery and vein, that place it will not be visible, but again we can see here this is the left ureter. Little bit part of the ICG will be visible in the bladder as well. So, when you separate the bladder in the TLH, that also helps you. So, this is a very good procedure to do that safe TLH, and in the advanced camera like Striker 1588, 1688 or 7088 you can use it. So, thank you very much for watching this video. Have a nice day.